closed, spas closed, nail salons closed. But that doesn't mean your beauty routine has to suffer. A local beauty entrepreneur shows us how to create a face mask made out of ingredients from your kitchen. But first, a local doctor with a quarantine face care routine.
My name is Dr. Renée Moran, and I own a medical spa in Newton Center, and I'm here to talk to you about my skincare quarantine routine. It consists of starting with a clean palette. We're going to use a gentle, soothing cleanser, which is good for all skin types. My skin is already clean. And the next step is to add an antioxidant. So we use a 20% vitamin C that's going to really help with brightening the skin. Okay? So you want to make sure that you're not only including your face, but you're also including your neck. The next step is to protect. So we want you to be using an SPF of at least 50. We love a sheer or even a tinted moisturizer. And this is going to protect you against UVA, UVB, infrared, and also HEV, which is blue light. And blue light comes into play from your tablets, your cell phones, your computers, which is being used a lot right now. The next step is at nighttime to cleanse your skin once again. And then we're going to add in a retinol, so a wrinkle repair cream. And this is great to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It really helps improve your skin cell turnover too. And our last step is hyaluronic acid. And this holds 1,000 times its molecular weight in water. So it gives you a nice plump rejuvenation. And this you can use throughout the day as well. Just use a mist or slightly dampen your fingers and then put it on. And that's it. So we wish you to stay well, stay inside, and stay healthy during this quarantine.